Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Surya Official. Today we are going to build an awesome Nike product card using HTML and Tailwind CSS. This card is fully responsive. If you reduce the width of your screen, you will see it automatically adjust to look great on mobile screen. You can see the difference on mobile screen and the bigger screen. You can see if I select this iPhone 14 Pro Max, it really looking great. And if I select this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, then here also it looks great. Okay, this is the awesome project that we are going to build today. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are ready, then let's get started. So now I am in the Visual Studio Code Editor. I already created a folder, name is Nike, and inside this folder I have images subfolder which contains some images file. So let's create our HTML file, and the HTML file name is index.html. To generate this boilerplate, need to write exclamation mark plus enter, so it will generate this HTML boilerplate. So first need to change the title document to product card or Nike card. So in this project we are going to use Tailwind CSS. Okay, so let's go for the Tailwind CDN. Tailwind CDN. So click this first link. So if you come down, then you can see here we need to copy this script file and paste it below this title tag. Okay, so let's check whether this CDN is working fine for us or not. So for that need to write a class. Width is full, mean height is screen, that is the 100% height, and background color is bg red 500. So save it, and to run this HTML file need to click this go live button from this Visual Studio Code Editor. So you can see the red color is applied in the screen. So that means the CDN is working fine. So let's go back to the Visual Studio Code Editor, and here instead of this BG color need to put one background image here. So for that, style background image is URL, and here need to put dot slash images slash bg.png. Save it and check it in the browser. So you can see the image is loaded in the screen, but the problem is the image is showing repeatedly. Okay, so need to fix this image. So for that, first close this window, and in the class need to write bg cover, and it is in the center, that means center of the screen, and bg fixed. Okay, save it and check it in the browser, so you can see the image is fixed. Okay, great. Here we need to create a card in the center of the screen and need to show the product. Okay, so for that, inside this body need to create a div, and the class is, it is a flex box, display flex, and flex column is column for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen flex direction is row, and text is white. We need to put some border radius here, so for that rounded 3xl and overflow hidden. Okay, and max width is xl for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen max width is 3xl. Okay, and need to put some box shadow here, shadow lg, and need to put some margin 4 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen need to remove margin here, so margin is 0. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser, so you can see nothing is showing here. Okay, so for that, for the testing purpose, need to create a h1 tag, and inside I need to write lorem 20, press enter and save it and check it in the browser, so you can see our text is coming in the top, but I need to put it in the center of the screen. Okay, so for that we need to put this body tag to flex box. Okay, so flex item center and justify center. save it and check it in the browser. So now you can see the text is coming in the center of the screen. Okay, so let's remove this h1 tag. Instead of that, need to create two div into two. Okay, and the first div is for left hand side, left panel, and second div is for right panel. So let's target for the left hand side panel. So the class is, need to put some background here. So the background is has EE3230. Okay, it is red color. Width is full in the mobile screen, and in the medium screen width is 2 by 5, and it is a flex box. So flex items is center, and justify also center, and need to put some padding here. Padding is 4. Inside this div need to show our product image. For that, image img plus enter, so it will generate this image tag, and the src is dot slash images slash nikeshoe.png, and the alternate text is Nike shoe. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So you can see this is the left hand side background with this image. Okay, so need to write some css class for this image tag. For that, class is and max width is lg for the small screen, and for the medium screen max width is xl. Okay, and height is auto, and g index is 10. Save it and check it in the browser. So you can see in the left hand side the image is hidden. Okay, so need to push little bit right. So for that, need to write translate x is 8. Save it and check it. So it is little bit right. Okay, again need to write padding left is 5. So you can see it is starting from here. So now what I have to do is I need to rotate this image to 45 degree. Okay, so for that need to write rotate 45 degree. Okay, this image is coming from top to bottom just because of it is a 45 degree. So instead of this 45 degree, I need to put minus 45 degree, so that the image is coming from bottom to top. Okay, so for that need to write minus 45 degree. Save it and check it. So you can see this looks fine. I just rotate minus 45 degree for the mobile screen, but here I need to put minus 12 degree for the desktop screen, okay, or the bigger screen. So for that need to write md for medium screen, rotate, instead of 45 need to put minus 12 degree. Okay, you can see this looks fine. Okay, you can see in the medium screen the image is minus 12 degree, but in the mobile screen image is minus 45 degree. You can see. Okay, great. So let's do it for the right hand side. Okay, so for that, go to this right hand side div, and here need to create a class, and the class is padding 6, and it is a flex box. So flex, and flex direction is column, and width is full. In the mobile screen width is full, and in the medium screen width is 3 by 5, and the bg color is has 161922. Okay, and justify is center, and items also center. So save it and check it in the browser. You can see, so this is the right hand side. Okay, so before writing the HTML structure for the right hand side, need to put some border here for bottom and right side. Okay, for this right hand side panel. Okay, so for that, go to this top, in the parent div need to put some border here. So border bottom 2, and border right 2, border gray 600. Save it and check it in the browser. So you can see the border is applied. Okay, but instead of this 600 need to put 800. Okay, so save it and check it. Now you can see this looks better. The border is applied in the right hand side panel. Okay, great. So let me zoom out and let's go back to the Visual Studio Code and let's target the right hand side. So in the right hand side panel, first need to create our logo image. Okay, so img plus enter, so it will generate this image tag and src images slash logo.png and the alternate text also logo. So save it and check it in the browser, so you can see this is our logo image. Okay, so need to write some css class here. So class in the medium screen, position is absolute, width is 1 by 4 for the mobile screen, and for the medium screen width is 1 by 6. So save it and check it in the browser, so you can see this is the logo image. But I don't want this white color, put need to put this logo as a background image. Okay, so for that what I have to do is mix blend mode is overlay, save it and check it in the browser, so you can see the color is little bit gray color. Okay, if I show in the mobile screen, then you can see here in the mobile screen it is coming in the top and in the desktop screen it is coming in the middle. Okay, great. Let's create the HTML structure. Okay, so for that we need to create a h1 tag and inside that need to write armax 15, Air Max Air Max 2015, and the class is text is 3XL and font is extra bold, and the text color should be again that red color EE3230. Okay, and margin bottom is 1. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser, so here it is. Create another text that is inside the paragraph tag, so p tag, and here the text is men's running shoe, and the class is class text is small and text color is gray color, gray 400, and font is bold and it is uppercase, text transform is uppercase, and margin bottom is 2. So save it and check it in the browser, so here it is, men's running shoes. Okay, and the next one is need to write. Okay, so let's create the css class, and the text is gray color and gray 300, and text is small and margin bottom is 4 and width is 2 by 3. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser, so you can see this looks fine. Okay, great. So next one is create some size here. Okay, so for that go to this HTML file, and here need to create a div, and the class is it is a flex box, so display flex, gap is 6 and margin bottom also 6, and justify content center, and text is black. Okay, so inside this need to create a button, and the button text is 42, and the class is width is 12, height is 10, rounded 3XL, and BG gray 500, and save it and check it in the browser, so here it is. Okay, so let's copy this button and paste it for another 3 times. So this is 43, 44, and 45. Save it and check it in the browser, so you can see all the sizes coming. So if I hover this size, then the background color should be changed. So for that, what I have to write is hover bg color is bg gray 600. Save it and check it in the browser. So it is working fine. Okay, so let's do for this 43 size to active. Okay, so instead of hover effect, what I have to do is bg color is white color. So save it and check it in the browser. So it is active. Okay, so the 43 is active. Okay, great. So let's create a buy now button. So for that, in the HTML file below this div, need to create a button and the text is buy for $160. Okay, so save it and check it in the browser. So you can see this is the button. Okay, so let's create the CSS class for this button. So the class is first bg color has 2a c0eb okay, and inside that text color is white and rounded is full, padding y is 2 and padding x is 4. Save it and check it. So here it is, this is the button buy for $160. If I hover this button, then the button background color should be changed. Okay, so for that need to write the hover effect here. Hover has 1a 8f b7 and it is a flex box. So the display flex items center and justify content center. Justify content center and width is full for the mobile screen, and for the bigger screen width is auto. So save it and check it in the browser. So you can see this looks fine. Great. Okay. So in the desktop screen it is looking nice, but I'll show you in the mobile screen. So for that you can see here in the mobile screen this looks great. You can see this logo image also. Okay. Small screen, big screen. Great. So this is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Code with Surya Official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video.